jewelry haul. Let's get into it. But this is all the jewelry I got, so let's unbox it. First with this necklace. Y'all be seeing the girls layer these. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. But that's how you wear this one. It's like you clip it on. Got some bangles. Look, these are so cute. Okay, we're just gonna leave them off. This Bible verse necklace is Luke 1:45. But that's how it looks. A bangle. Let me show y'all something silver. The silver bangle. I got another gold bangle. This one is so pretty. This is how that one looks on. 2 pack of bracelets. One's broken. They look like this. This ring that I'm so excited for. So cute. It says darling on it. We got a silver bracelet. Like, look at this. This bracelet, I just thought it was cute because it had a purse on it. That is so cute. Got another ring in gold. Look at how this ring looks, y'all. Tarot necklaces. This is the Empress card. I thought this was so cute. This is cute. It says the Empress. Just a little portion. This is how it looks. So cute. We got a gold bangle. These look like actual gold bangles you would get at the swap meet in California. One more necklace and one more bracelet. Coin type bracelets. And there's nothing on it but a little design. Another Bible verse necklace, and I actually got it in silver. Proverbs 31:25. And I'm gonna tell y'all what that verse is. Your girl is beyond happy with all of her purchases. But if you guys want to see more videos like this, just give it a thumbs up and thank you.